Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about a major technology initiative from Reliance Jio, announced at their 48th annual general meeting. It's called the Digital Twin, a technology that could revolutionize broadband connectivity across India. So let's dive in and understand what Digital Twin is, how it works, and what benefits it brings to users like you and me. First things first, what exactly is a digital twin? A digital twin is a virtual 3D model or digital map of Jio's physical network and infrastructure. In simple terms, it's a digital copy of the entire broadband network, including all the cables, fiber lines, and other hardware components. Jio developed this technology so their engineers and technicians don't have to visit physical sites every time to check or plan the network. Instead, they can use this digital version to plan installations and maintenance remotely and efficiently. How does this digital twin actually work? When a customer places an order for a Jio broadband connection, the Jio team uses this digital model to analyze the network at that location. They can see where fiber cables have already reached, which new connections are possible, and where infrastructure upgrades might be needed. Earlier, engineers had to visit sites physically, which took a lot of time and resources. But with the digital twin, all this can be done virtually and much faster. This speeds up the whole process of installation and activation dramatically. Now let's talk about the benefits of this system. The biggest benefit is speed. According to Jio, with Digital Twin, they can activate broadband connections within just 24 hours, something that used to take several days before. The second benefit is efficiency. With remote planning, engineers get a better understanding of the entire network without physically visiting each location. This reduces errors and ensures smoother service delivery. The third benefit is cost saving. Fewer physical site visits mean lower operational costs, and these savings can translate into better prices and services for customers. Digital Twin is a huge advantage for Jio as well. As broadband demand grows rapidly across India, and with 5G rollouts underway, upgrading and expanding network infrastructure quickly and efficiently is vital. Digital Twin gives Jio a smart tool to reach new areas faster and with more reliability. Moreover, Digital Twin can also be used for maintenance and troubleshooting. When there is a network issue, engineers can use the digital twin to quickly identify the root cause and fix problems faster than before. To sum it up, Jio's digital twin is a futuristic technology that will make broadband connectivity faster, better, and more reliable across India. It's a major step forward in building the country's digital infrastructure. If you want to learn more about Jio's new initiative or have questions, drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on technology first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.